How to scan the snap code from Snapchat. Someday when you want to use the snap code, because we are very lazy to use username of your friend, then you can simply use the Snapchat code to add them. So how do you do that? To do that, first of all, go on your Snapchat application. After you go there, you will see an interface like this. So what you can do is you can simply go on the Snapchat camera and then click the snap code on camera. But the next thing what you can do is go on the profile section. First of all, let us see what the snap code really is. So when I go on my profile, so when I tap here, you can see there is a QR code with my profile on it, and there is also my username, and this all. So I can simply share snap code. I can even save this snap code to my camera. I can share this profiling to anybody, and I can send this as well. So what you should do is save this to camera roll, and if you want to send it to your friends, then you can simply send it from your gallery. Now let us see how do you add people from Snapcode. Go back. After you go back, go on the chat and then go on add friend. After you go on the add friend, you will see the option of the Snapchat. When you tap on this, you can simply choose the snap code photo. After you choose this, since I have choose my own snap code, that's why it won't be added as a friend. But if you choose other snap code of your friends to add friend, then they will be added on your Snapchat. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.